Hey guys, here's a quick review of the Streamlight Microstream. This is the old school single AAA battery Microstream. One setting, on and off. Simple, effective, never have to worry about recharging it. Can find ready batteries, lots of places. Some of the things I like about this, it's got the pocket clip, which is fairly deep carry. It also has this little thing that you've probably seen, can use on the bill of your hat to make it into a little impromptu headlamp. So this thing is super handy, fairly waterproof. Like I said, just uses standard AAA battery. So it's a great EDC light because it's always where you need it because it's so small. That's my hand is about 4.5 inches wide and fits right in my hand easily. So it's great for a pocket light, super compact, and everything you need, nothing you don't.